to react to the nature photography segment.
Dilly Dale magazine is expecting photographs of birds, and more birds. And so far, all we have is a picture of your rear end. Yeah, I would have moved out of the way if you told me you were taking a picture. We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where can they be? Maybe if you didn't make so much noise. That's it. My patience has run out. It's time for my secret weapon. Maybe that would be my finicky flamingo
Fan
grandpa.
pipe.
Do you really think? Oh, hold that pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. One more shot. You weren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of the Great Cape Buffalo. Really? They're awfully big. Are you sure the picture of the magazine wouldn't be just as happy with a picture of the gerbil? No deal. If it's a buffalo they want, it's a buffalo they would get with my other secret weapon. No. My two-tone buffalo bagpipe. Oh well. Too bad. Doesn't work. Oh, another great shot. Say cheese. I can't. I was talking to the buffalo. And now to get a picture of the rare great white alligator. Alligator? Oh, do you mean you were taking a picture of an alligator? Not just any alligator. The great white alligator. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon. An all-aluminum alligator whistle. Mr. Noisy? Mr. Noisy? Mr. Noisy! Oh, poopity poop. Well, Bob, I don't think we're going to be seeing any alligators today. Egads!
Richard Epcar.